Hello everyone, this is Nudge, back with another video, and today's video is being recorded on the 10th, which I think, yeah, the day I go to camp, so I won't be posting my videos when I go to camp, so I'll be posting a few today. And, excuse me for like my voice and everything, because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, like almost 8. Yeah. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Fidget Cube. So, a Fidget Cube has 6 sides. It's a cube. Duh. So, like, it has 6 sides, and each one's great for any kind of, like, fidgeting need. Like, this side is called the glide. This is a little joystick that you can move in any direction. This is the click. This is supposed to indicate, like, clicking a pen. There's 5 buttons. There's 3 that make clicking noise, and 2 that don't. This side is called the flip. This is a little switch that you can move up and down, and if you want to make it silent, just put a little pressure on it, and then you can just rock it back and forth. See, there's really no sound. Then we have the spin. This is a little dial that you can spin with your thumb. It takes a little practice, but eventually I get the hang of it. This side is called the roll. This is 3 gears and a ball that spin. At least I've heard the gears can spin. I just can't stop spinning the ball, though. Oh, they work! This side is called the breathe. This is supposed to simulate a worry stone. Now, note that you may see 2 Fidget Cubes in the video. That's because I have 2 Fidget Cubes, and I was looking at both of them. I can compare the 2 Fidget Cubes. Honestly, this one's red. I'm not sure what color this one is. I got this other Fidget Cube, this other Fidget Cube I got, last week. Maybe the week before, I think. And this Fidget Cube I got yesterday from my grandmother. So what do I think of it? It's a pretty cool little fidget toy. Honestly, it's really great for fidgeting with. If you're like bored and you want to just fidget around, you can play with it. It's a lot different than a fidget spinner, which I do have. I'll show you. I already did a review. I'll put the titles of the video in the description. And in the next video, I'll do a should you buy a Fidget Cube. Then I'll do I'll do a comparison between the Fidget Spinner and the Fidget Cube in the next video. Should you buy a Fidget Cube? I think you should. I mean, you could buy either a Fidget Spinner or a Fidget Cube, or if you want to go and get a Fidget Pad, which I don't have. I don't have a Fidget Pad. I don't even know what Fidget Pad is, so. Yeah. What are some pros and cons of it? A pro is, well, you see, this one is, I have 2. I have this one, which I don't even know what company this one was made by, and I have this one, which is the original one, which was made by, NC Labs, but I'm not sure what the other one was made by, if it was made by, if it was another NC Labs one, like if it was a prototype, or if it was just like a knockoff Fidget Cube. Yeah, oh look! The ball even clicks, look. Okay. So, yeah, that was my review on the Fidget Cube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Like the videos. Comment. Share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.